you graduated from University College of Pharmacy back in, if I remember correctly, 2002,
Yes.
and then getting licensed 10 years. So can you tell our participant why that much gap? And because
Yes.
most of the, especially for those who feel that it is too late to try again.
Yes, yes, absolutely. That's a beautiful question, and my journey is unique. I graduated in 2002 from University of Punjab, Faculty of Pharmacy. Uh, great time in those 5 years I spent over there. And but when I graduated, I got married that same year and moved to United States. So it was a new country, new culture, new environment, a new family. I was engaged to my husband, so I knew the family, but it was too much new for me. So I was adjusting to many news in my life, and then life happens. Alhamdulillah, I had three beautiful children, two daughters and son. And then I got busy in my life, and at one point I had believed that it was too hard to get license in United States. I want to be open about it. There are like too many exams. You have to give first FPGEE, and then you have to give TOEFL, and then 1,500 hours of internship, which is almost a year internship in any setting you prefer. And then the licensing exam which US graduates have to give, NAPLEX and law. Every state has a law exam. So really, I believe that it's too hard. I won't be able to do it. And then I got busy too, and I was like, it's not for me. And then one fine day around 2008 or 9, I got connected with my friends. Facebook boom happened, and they said you need to come on and join that group. I was like, okay. And then I checked all my friends, friends where we graduated together. They were all around the world doing great in different settings in Pakistan, great positions. I was like, I was a good student too, and let's give it a try. Again, that spark happened in me. Let's see if I can do it. Now I want to tell everyone that odds were all against me. Sometimes you think that nothing is going perfect. I was busy as a mother, as a wife, and now almost 9 years at that point, completely out of touch of pharmacy knowledge. So I want to tell everyone that who are especially students, you think that you're going to forget. Human brain and mind is Allah Ta'ala has made. It's amazing. It's just beyond our comprehension. When I open the books, I'm not going to say that I remember everything, but most of the basics I do remember about pharmacology and other subjects. So I started. So then I have to be creative, and I made flashcards. I used to take my daughters to play in a park where they take swings and slides. So I used to study during driving them to school or to different classes. I used to listen to lectures and practice speaking for TOEFL. For TOEFL, for some reason, for pharmacists, the scores are very high. Like it's almost near perfect, 26 or 27 in speaking, listening, writing. So I started practicing, and is everyone can hear me? I just, sorry, a little bit got distracted with
Yes.
screen change. Okay, so then after 10 years, I wanted to share everyone that, and I put pasted charts around my house in kitchen where I used to spend most of the time, and end up passing. My husband, my mother really supported me. I cannot just say that it was just me. It had a great support family system, and I asked for help. It's okay to ask for help when you feel like you have a career, a goal to make, and family and your friends are there. We found a study group too with my other friends who graduated with me, and she encouraged me. One of my friends encouraged me a lot. So family support, but there you have to make that one decision that I can do it. And I end up passing all my exams It took me around, give myself a year and a half to 2 years with internship, everything. I did my internship at Walmart, but end up passing all my exams and then enter into workforce, and no one had any issue when gave interview with Walgreens. I told them that I was, you any gap in your resume, you can make it work in your benefit. Said I got married, moved to a new country, become a mother, and was busy. So life can happen. Things don't go away the way you want or like, but you can turn things around at any time in your life. And it's been 11, 12 years I've been practicing pharmacist and had the most amazing journey so far. So this is how, being determined, being committed, and making that one decision that I am going to allow myself and ask Allah to help me and guide me, and here I am. It's most rewarding. One can do it even 10 years after graduation.
That's so wonderful. Glad to know your journey.